What's up, y'all? It's TJ with Fake It or Make It, and I hope all of y'all are doing great today. I'm doing great. I just got a new camera, and this has been a long time coming, and I'm so excited. I can't even believe it has taken me this long to get an actual, real, bona fide camera. I've been using an iPad Pro and iMovie to complete YouTube videos, from recording, taking pictures, doing thumbnails, and everything, even editing the video, all on one iPad. Now, that has really helped me learn simple, very simple rudimentary basics of videography and video editing. iMovie for mobile devices is actually really easy to learn, and that really helped me get a lot further in learning how to make videos. Now, the problem with that is I'm filming with an iPad. There's no way that you can adjust anything. You can't really zoom. There's no easy way to hook up a microphone to it. I mean, it is a big honking iPad. It's a tablet, and I have it mounted to the top of a tripod in the shop, just following me around taking videos. And that's what I've done for the last 90 or so videos. So it's been a pain, but it has definitely been worth the journey, because now that I have this camera, I feel like I'm ready to take the next step and start creating better videos. But there is a lot more I need to learn. I have never been into photography. I've never been into videography. So this is a whole new ball game. It's one thing doing all this stuff on an iPad, but now I have the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So it's definitely a step up. Everything that I've read in all the videos that I've watched said that this is a great camera for beginners. So that doesn't mean it's simple for me to figure out, because I've never messed with cameras. But so far, I believe that I've got the lighting. I got the little display flipped around, and I'm looking at it, and the lighting looks okay. I mean, there's so much stuff I have to learn. I have to learn about lighting, exposure, the shutter speed, the aperture. There's all this stuff I have to learn, while at the same time I'm trying to learn kdenlive, which is the free open source video editing software that I downloaded on my laptop, which it has really not been bad. I've had to really learn some of the more advanced video editing techniques, and whenever you look at iMovie on the iPad, it's really simple. There is no extra stuff, just bone simple. Now, whenever you open up like an editing software like kdenlive, there's all kind of buttons and screens and stuff I don't know, even begin to know what the hell half of it means. But I have edited my first video in kdenlive, but that video was still shot with the iPad. So I'm trying to learn this and take this in small bites. So I still had a video in the shoot on the iPad, so I went ahead and brought it into kdenlive and did my editing in kdenlive. And now this is going to be my first recording with the Canon M50 Mark II. Now, one thing about it, I've just from the past, I mean, I just put the battery in this thing, and I just opened it up and kind of started playing with the modes. This thing is packed full of features, and my brain is smoking trying to keep up with everything that I'm putting in there. I think some of it starts actually running out as I'm putting more stuff in, so I don't know, maybe I need to put some corks in my ears or something. I don't know. It's because while I'm trying to learn this, I'm trying to learn the new software, and I'm trying to learn stuff out here in the shop, be it working on building better cabinets, doing different woodworking techniques, like learning how to cut dovetails. I'm trying to figure out, better ways to work on firearms and refurbish all these old guns that come in. So there's tons of stuff going on, and I don't feel overwhelmed. I feel excited. It's like the more the busier I am, the more I'm learning, it's the better I get. I don't know. It's not like a crunch time thing. It's not contingent on time. It's just the more I'm trying to learn at one time, it's like the better off I get. I don't know. I love being just slamming information and just being able to retain it. That's only the tricky part. So I have to be able to retain what I'm learning and hang on to it long enough to be able to use what I'm learning. And that's all I want to do. I just want to learn how to do stuff and show other people what I'm learning, and to show them that even a big dummy like me can do anything if you just put your mind to it, have patience, and learn some stuff. Tenacity is a superpower. I'm not some big talented guy that could just pick up anything and do it. I am just tenacious, very tenacious. And I do not like being mediocre. And so tenacity to me cancels out mediocrity. I don't want to be mediocre. I don't. I want to be better. I want to be known for something, being, something that I create, something that I put out there. And because at heart, I'm an artist. I've always been an artist. And really, if you think about it, an artist is nothing more than somebody that creates something that other people want to enjoy, other people want to experience. Something an artist creates is something that people want to be a part of. And this YouTube channel is just basically a different art form to me. The feeling that you get whenever you create something as an artist, even if it's a painting, a drawing, a sculpture, a piece of furniture, woodworking, or a video, the feeling you get when somebody actually enjoys it and wants to know more about it and wants to just experience it, there's nothing like it. There's not a better feeling in the world. Like whenever somebody comes and they brings me an old gun, a family heirloom firearm that was, destroyed in a flood. I've done several over the years being down here on the coast. And whenever you redo this old gun, for example, and they had no idea that it could be brought back to life, and the look on their face when their eyes start watering up, that there's nothing better than that. Whenever something that you've done and something you created or something that you fixed brings that much joy to somebody, I mean, you can't do any better than that. So that's the feeling I'm chasing. That's what I'm after. I love people enjoying what I create. I love making people happy with what I'm creating. So I know I kind of went off on a tangent on that, but that just gives you a little idea into why I'm doing this and what this channel's about. I want to try to inspire people to do their own thing so that they can feel that feeling. I want to be able to help people and teach people things that maybe they just can't quite understand. And some people don't understand things the way other people do. Some people don't learn things the way other people do. And maybe you just need somebody else to tell you. Maybe you just need it put in a different context. And oftentimes that's me. Somebody will recommend a book and it'll be the greatest book in the world to 90% of the people. I read it and I don't understand it. And then I pick up some thrift store book from the 70s and it's outdated and not even hardly relevant, but I'll pick up on it just like that for whatever reason. But this camera and learning how to use it and the new video software editing software that I'm learning how to use, I feel like this is going to make things so much better, and the content's going to only get better and be more interesting and more eye appealing. And I just couldn't be more excited. I just have to be able to figure it all out and make sure that the things I'm learning goes back into the channel so that all of you get to experience the better content. Because all the way up till now, I've just been using an iPad. And I don't know if I should have said that or not, but I mean, it is what it is. Everybody's got to start somewhere. And I'm really excited, and I have a lot of confidence that if I keep working and keep pushing hard and keep learning, that this channel is going to grow and this channel is going to get better and more people are going to enjoy it. And that's the ultimate goal. So that being said, I hope all of y'all enjoyed the channel, and I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because this journey is going to be a good one, and I want as many of you as you can to come and follow along and watch me get better and put better stuff out there, and we'll all learn and grow together. But that's it for today, guys. Y'all be safe, and y'all come back now.